Amazon must-have bathroom organization gadget. Here is the best bathroom stuff. This 3-in-1 bathroom organizer is great to hold Q-tips, makeup wipes, and floss, but I'm also the type that wants everything separated, so I love these bathroom jar organizers for single items. Amazon deal today and linked below. These bamboo hampers are an Amazon must-have bathroom organization gadget. It's nice having 3 hampers so you can keep your dirty clothes organized, and the inside lining comes out so you can carry it to your laundry room. I love when I find the best bathroom stuff, and these are an Amazon deal today. These are the best bathroom drawer organizers. They come in so many different sizes and are an Amazon must-have bathroom organization gadget to keep your makeup and bathroom stuff organized. More of the best bathroom stuff on Amazon. This tissue box cover and this soap dispenser are an Amazon must-have. Keep your bathroom stuff organized under your sink with this basket. Amazon deal today and linked below in my description. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.